Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you Google Gemini how to disable. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to disable Gemini, if you are using an Android, then what you need to do is simply head over and open up your Gemini application. Then once you are here, be sure to be logged into your account as well. If you aren't, then once you are here, what you need to do is tap on your profile icon on the top right corner of the screen, and now on tapping it you will be provided with a bunch of options. Now among the options, simply select settings right here. Now once you're inside your settings, what you need to do is scroll down until you find the digital assistants from Google. Then simply tap on it and select Google Assistant instead of Gemini, and then this switches back to the classic Google Assistant and disables Gemini as your main voice assistant. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.